friends, I'm Shanna with LifeFullandFrugal.com. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. At Life Full and Frugal, we teach you how to live a healthier, happier, and more beautiful life on less. From healthy whole food recipes to gardening, home decor, and holistic health, we're your one-stop shop for all things full and frugal. If that sounds interesting to you and you'd like to follow along with us, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to also click the little bell notification so you never miss any of our new videos. Today I'm showing you how to make bacon wrapped green bean bundles with a brown sugar glaze. They're like little bundles of deliciousness. I really like making these for a special occasion, but they're also really good for a cookout if you're grilling with friends this summer. I'm baking mine in the oven today because it's storming outside, but either way, if you throw them on the grill or if you bake them in the oven, they're gonna be amazing. Because let's face it, you just can't go wrong with bacon and brown sugar. So let's go get started. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed the recipe for bacon wrapped green bean bundles with a brown sugar glaze. If you give it a try, we'd love to hear about it in the comments. And we just want to say thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. And we also want to just say thank you so much for all your likes, shares, and comments, because those really help us with the YouTube algorithm and on all the social media platforms. It just really helps people to find us, and it allows us to continue to grow our YouTube channel. So thank you again, and we hope you have a wonderful day.